Hello friends, today we are going to learn working with variable action to generate random number in Microsoft RPA tool Power Automate Desktop. We will use action named generate random number to generate random number as well as to generate a list of random numbers. Let's proceed practically. So here inside this variable actions we have generate random number. Minimum value, define the range from 0, maximum value to 20. Firstly, we will generate a single random number, variable produce random number, save. We will see the output by display message action. Title result, select the variable to display random number, save, run. So it has generated random number 17. It generates the random point to be noted. It generates a random number can also include 0 and 20, the minimum and maximum range. It can also include this. Now we are going to generate a list of random numbers. Just click this generate multiple numbers. True. How many numbers? We can specify here, for example 5. Do we need to allow duplicates or not? We can also use this. Let's don't allow duplicates. Random numbers variable is different, so the variable data type will be the list. Here select random numbers variable, not this one. Click save, run. You will be having the 5 random numbers in a list. 5 is there. See the data type here, list of numerical values. Close. This is all for today. In the upcoming video we will learn more about further actions here. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe for more related knowledgeable videos. Thank you.